Hey, what's good, people? We is back in action. It is Friday, the 18th. We are currently just about to enter the first AM macro. We have had some crazy price action just before market open. As you see, 25,926 prices start pumping, swept these highs, SMT the highs as well, took Asian session liquidity. So theoretically, I could enter a sell off of this fair value gap right here, but it's a bit wishy-washy since it's a bit far away from the macro, which I don't like. I like everything to take place during the macro, and it gives me just more, more conviction in the trade, you know. But another option for us could be to sweep down these sell side liquidity lows, and if we do sweep these out, I'll be looking for longs. Hopefully, most likely we'll probably tap into this hourly fair value gap as well, and then from there I'll be looking for a market structure shift, inverse, or not even inverse, just fair value gap displacement and a nice entry model. So if I see anything, I'll hit record, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, peeps, so I ended up taking the trade off of that bearish fair value gap that we had right there. Buy side liquidity sweep, SMT, big displacement, FEG, pretty much perfect sell, market structure shift as well. So probably target these lows down here being London session lows, but looking at price action, we might get violated. So unlucky on that one. Happens sometimes, I can't lie. I was expecting this more than anything because it's just Friday, price action is looking whack, and yeah, this wasn't really within the macro, but since we tapped into the fair value gap during the macro, I took it because it was a really good sell setup. So yeah, decent trade, very decent sell. I like the way it looked. I'm not liking the way it's looking right now, but it is what it is. Had a setup, took it. If we don't, then we're missing out, messing with our with our edge. So whenever you see a setup, you want to take that shit, because if you don't, you're messing with your edge. So the thing I don't like, we did just close this FEG, which is not the best, I can't lie. The last thing I wanted to see that motherfucker hold, but guess not. Might still have a chance of price to go a bit lower since we are in the macro, and you never know what can happen in the macro. We do have this bullish FEG right here, which I'm not too happy about. But we just gotta wait and see what takes place. We's running a bit in drawdown, I can't lie. I've got a fucking fly somewhere flying around here making so much noise. It is pissing me off. Hold on. Let me go murk the fly off with the flippy flop. Got him. Ended bro's career. Absolutely ended bro's career with the flip flop. From what you know about the flip flop. Yeah. Let's see. What the fuck is going on here? I mean, it looks like we're rejecting or resisting in this level, but I don't know how much good that's gonna be for us, because I need this motherfucker to drop exactly like that. I just needed to follow through, keep her going. I'm just looking here because technically, and it's a very, very technically, we did sweep this little 15-minute low, which isn't the best because now we've gone up and displaced, making another market structure shift to the upside and making this fair value gap, which could possibly be a buy setup, but that 15-minute sweep wasn't good at all, and we still got London session lows below, which is a strong draw of liquidity, plus a bunch of stacked lows on ES and a bunch of just random lows on Nasdaq. So very big possibility that this is a buy setup, but we'll see. We will see. I'm gonna move this out of the way for now. can see what's happening. Put this FEG in here. Yeah, once we get a tap into that FEG, I think I'm gonna trail stops down to here, being 130 buckos. Right now we're risking about 250, so happy with that risk, more than happy with that risk. I may kind of reduce it to this wick, can't lie, but then again, that little bit of money is not gonna save me, is it? So let's see what happens. Tapped into that bitch beautifully and rejecting it nicely as well. I don't like that. I don't like that, but I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do. I'm gonna reduce risk, since this is now most likely a buy setup. Yeah, that rejection candle is humongous. So yeah, this looks like we are in the wrong direction today, boys. We took what we seen, and then another setup happened to the other side. So happens sometimes. I can't lie. Both setups were valid. I just chose to take the sell, which is unfortunate, but we'll see. Oh, well, back into profit. This candle's, what the fuck was that? There's no way it didn't tap me out either. Oh my god, look at that. I was inches, millimeters away from the motherfucking take profit. Oh, that is so unfortunate. That is so unfortunate. Oh my days. Bruh, if I was only a tick higher, that would have hit. That would have hit. Fuck. There's still a chance it will hit, but oh, I don't like that. I really don't like that. We'll see how this candle closes. I think I'm going to trail stops up to above this high. But that is crazy. What is that? That candle was absolutely rapid. I didn't even blink and the motherfucker just went shoo. And now it's most likely gonna go up. Fuck. I don't like that. I'm fucking considering a close right here, but what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Come on, think. We have an SMT. Oh, but we've made equal lows. They should continue lower. With a very big should. Yeah, I'm gonna leave stop loss where it's at. Damn, that is so unfortunate how close that came. Fuck. That was a really. Oh, that pissed me off. That really pissed me off. We could have been done and dusted for the day, but look at that. It's not even a tick. It's not even a tick away. Look, what is that? 0.25. Yeah, literally a quarter of a tick. Not even. Fucking hell, man. These Friday markets are doing me in. Let's see if we can hit the TP after touching this FEG. I'm gonna have to send this to my friend, because what the fuck was that? Broski, what was that candle? And look how close it came to my take profit. It didn't even take me out, for fuck's sake. That is hella unfortunate. That is hella unfortunate. God damn. We need this continuation lower to sweep these lows, because I'm not happy about that. Not happy about that at all. Fucking tick, one tick, not even one tick. It was like 0.25 of a tick, man. Friday markets, huh? There's some big boys in the game though, I can't lie. Someone is manipulating the market heavy, because before market open, shit pumped. Before market even fucking, there's not even news here. Apparently there's news in 5 minutes, according to TradingView, but according to, what's it called, Forex Factory, there ain't no news, so we'll see. Can we hit this TP finally? What I'm gonna do, right, I'm gonna trail it up to here, just so we have the possibility maybe of hitting it and we don't get edged again. But it looks like we're gonna get edged again, because it's just doing a madness right now. He is doing a madness. Go on, Shan. I need you to go lower. I need you to go lower. Dump it, Shan. Dump it. Dump it. I know it wants to. It looks like it wants to. Come on. Just fucking hit the TP, bro. You was literally a tick away. Do me again nicely. It's going to be a 4 for 4. Very nice day. Might even trail it up to just 300 flat. Like about there. But there ain't no way. Come on, bro. Just tap me out. What are you playing at? Bruh. This market is moving crazy right now. What is going on? The volatility in this motherfucker is
Order
immense.
filled.
There we go. TP hit buys. Chilling for the day. 4 for 4 bangers. Another 300 buccarinos of the day. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. That wick, that candle was crazy. That wick had me racing out. And then we hit original TP, but it is what it is, so. Yeah, that's me for the day, me for the week even. Very good week, very good week. Absolutely 4 bangers hit every single day of the week. Except Monday, I think. Monday we took a little loss. I can't even remember, to be fair, but absolute banger of a trade. Lovely jubbly. I will catch you guys in the next one. I hope you have a good weekend. Take it easy. Motherfucker, let me finish the video, man. Oh my days. This is pissing me off. There we go. Easy weekend, guys. Take it easy. Peace.